Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use CCI indicators, trend lines more precisely. Do you want to use the commodity channel index or the CCI indicator, trend lines more precisely? Very good. Alright, let's get started. Alright. So I want you to pay attention to the CCI trend line. You can see that I have here the bullish trend line for the CCI. Let's zoom into it a bit. Okay, so we have a bullish trend line for the CCI that is almost equal to the trend line of the price. So the CCI is mimicking or duplicating the price action. So the price was above a bullish trend line. The CCI also is above, alright, a bullish trend line. Alright, again here you can see that this is another trend line for the CCI itself. CCI was above the black trend line, and the price is also above that trend line here. Alright, and again if you look carefully here, if I color this one now into orange, you will see that the CCI is below the orange trend line, and the price is also below that orange trend line until we start seeing a bit of divergence here. But the CCI is almost doing exactly, is copying the movement of the price. Alright. Now again, if you look carefully here, you see here there is a divergence here because the price was going horizontal when the CCI was rising. Alright, again if you this one here, you can see that the CCI was declining, was below a bearish trend line, but the price was going up. Okay, again here we have another scenario. You see here the blue trend line, change that color into green, and the price is doing almost the same thing like the CCI. But you have to understand that is the CCI that is copying the price. It's not the price that is copying the CCI. The price is the number one indicator. Alright. So how do we use the CCI indicator trend lines like a pro, or more precisely? Alright. So I'm going to concentrate on a bullish example. You can see that the CCI was below the bearish trend line. Now it breaks above and retests it. That right there. Breaks above the red trend line and retests it here. That's what we are looking for. Break above, retest for the bullish trading setup using the CCI trend line. Break below, retest. Okay, looking for bearish trading setup. Okay, so at this point a lot of traders may say, George, I understand it, I don't have to watch the full length for this tutorial. I encourage traders to watch the full length for this tutorial so they may understand everything, and most importantly so they may avoid trading mistakes. So here, breaks above, retest. Okay, it's a bullish trading setup. Whenever the CCI breaks above its own bearish trend line and retest it, alright, and start changing direction, that's the third part, must start changing direction. It's not sufficient for it. You see here, when it's coming to test it like this, it's not finished yet. Wait for it to turn around there patiently. So the reason is, if it's turning around, right, you will see either a bullish candlestick pattern. Here we have a bullish engulfment. Now some traders can trade this using a top-down trading method at the point when the CCI is retesting the trend line. So when the CCI breaks above the trend line, is retesting it, more experienced traders will start implementing a top-down trading method. Traders that are not very experienced can wait for a bullish candlestick pattern or another verification, another confirmation in the form of a candlestick pattern or chart pattern, price forming a higher low after a higher high, something like that, to confirm that okay, it has a high chance, okay, to go back up. Talking about a bullish trading setup, what I say to 24SP traders is that Bullish trading setup often occur at a support level or at a key level. So when you are applying this strategy, breaks a ball, retest, do not dwell on the CCI itself. Remember that the price is the number one indicator, the price action. So you can see here there was a low here, because if you are trading any technical indicator and you are just focusing on the indicator, you can make a lot of mistakes. You see, found the support here, boom, 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 go below. Now it breaks the ball, retest again. There was a support before, it's a key level, support level right there. CCI breaks the ball and retest. I will be happy to consider this trade. Otherwise, I will be more careful. Yes or no? This is what we are talking about. And then now, as I told traders, if you wait until you have another confirmation, like in the here we have a bullish engulfment candlestick pattern, now we can implement a top-down trading method. The setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. For traders that are very new to us, you can YouTube search Mastering Top-Down Trading Method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Digit2, Digit4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Watch those 5 videos so you may also know how to use a top-down trading method or a different time frame trading method. Yeah, look, isn't it beautiful? Look at that, beautiful, isn't it? Right, now you can see now the CCI is retesting, all right, that the green trend line. So it breaks it, now it's retesting here. What do you do here? You see now, as he retests, it didn't stop. He breaks below it. That's why it's so important to use a different time frame trading method. So now, as you see like this, what do you need to do? Focus on the price. Right? You see the reason why it went a little bit below it, the price was trying to retest the red line, this key level. You see, right? Also the median line of the lower half of the pitchfork tool. If you don't know what I'm talking about here, you go to www.dayprotrader.com, click on Andrew's pitchfork tool. Divide the second half of the pitchfork tool into two. So price now at the median line of the lower half of the pitchfork tool, intersection point. Does it mean that the price will definitely go up? So you can see that this is what we are saying, concentrating on the price, all right, before making decision using a different time frame trading method. So a lot of traders that are just using the CCI, all right, and who do not know how to use a top-down trading method can lose. So it's like they are guessing it. It works before, it works again. Yes, if it worked before, it has a high chance to work again. But how do we handle it? Different time frame trading method. If the signal fails, you just come out. This is about a discipline of trading like a pro. Alright, very simple. Here it is. Yeah. Okay. So looking at the candlestick bar, high volatility, low volatility. This is the hammer for a low volatility. Normally we should have a bullish candlestick bar after that to confirm that it has a high chance to change. Talking about a candlestick pattern, a hammer plus a bullish candlestick bar that is not too long. All right, didn't happen. The price was going down more. Here it is now. Here, okay. So that volatility is, you see now, there was a support here before this candlestick by Stellar. There was a support here, but now they are selling that into that support zone. You need to be very, very careful and use a different time frame trading method. So the point I'm making here is that instead of just trading it like 1 + 1 = 2, don't trade it that way. Use a different time frame trading method. Concentrate on the price and take it like a pro. Because I'm on the monthly chart, if I want to break it down, I'll go to the daily chart for the signal. If there is a signal, then I will consider to enter on the hourly time frame. So check out that video, Mastering Top-Down Trading Method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, the 5 videos, so you may understand more. So there is another beautiful example I want to show you here. You like a beautiful example, yes or no? All right. This one here is very nice example here. So what is happening here? Considering the trend line of the CCI itself, the CCI breaks below that trend line and then retests it here on the edge. Look at that. And the price did form a higher high. This is a beautiful CCI divergence. Nice. There was another one here, but this is not a very good one. It's a very nice one. So you see here, so area wave traders also, this is a nice one. Why this is good for area wave trader? We have okay, an impulse wave that is completed up here, forming the third wave here. All right, and then the CCI is exhibiting. All right, okay. It's a lot of traders may say this is not a bearish divergence, but it's a divergence because it breaks below the trend line, is retesting, which means the CCI, the momentum, all right, is weakening. At the point when the price is displaying a new higher high, we will consider that. We will consider that warning, because a divergence is a warning. Doesn't mean that definitely the price cannot continue to go up. All the CCI is telling us is that take it gently. There's a warning here. But look at that. It's the price came down 1, 2, 3. Nice. This is a beautiful example here. So you see like this again. So here you'll be very, very careful because the price is in a rising channel. But this is what we are talking about. Without cutting corner. Okay. There are other things that we do. All right. Area wave traders. All right. Applying Fibonacci extension to the first wave, highlighting the 161.8% level. Considering a 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the prior bullish move. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go to www.dayprotrader.com, click on 138.2% Fibonacci extension. It's a critical resistance level. Alright? Look at that. Alright? Isn't it beautiful, this one? There's another one here. So you can see here CCI. Here it breaks below it, but it didn't find a resistance. It went back above it. Here it breaks below it and retest it here. And here the CCI start changing direction. Now again, we don't want to dwell on the CCI like we were doing before. You want to switch your attention to the price and ask the question, what is the price itself? The number one indicator is telling us. So we were somewhere here. Okay, or somewhere there. So is he a resistance zone? Anytime you see a bearish trading setup, is he at a resistance zone? Is he at a key level? Is there a better resistance ahead? That will help you to control the risk and also to set your stop loss more carefully. There is a resistance, the price couldn't touch it. All right. Is there another resistance level? Where are we now? So we were here. A bit of resistance before here, okay, but not very strong one, but there's a better resistance ahead. So if you are taking this one, you'll be very, very careful. You want the CCI to start turning. That will be patient way, all right, unless you are more experienced, so we prefer to go all the way there. Okay, all right. There was another one here again, break below, retest right here, and the price went down. Okay, again, all right, break a bow, retest right there. You see that? I'm talking about this one here. Break a bow, retest. We were here. There is a trend line, there's a key, so you want to find out where are we. It's a trend line there. All right, those are the exercise you need to do. So CCI breaks a bow, retest a trend line, switch your attention to the price, and implement a top-down trading method. Now, as always, when you learn something new for the first time, it's very, very important to try to understand it fully, all right, because there are more to this, all right, understand it fully, and then use a demo account to practice until you master it before going live. All right, it's very simple but very powerful, because there are other traders out there that are trading the CCI itself. All right, so also here CCI forming a higher lows along a bullish trend line. Traders are trading that also. But my recommendation is when it breaks below and retests, all right, you will find a very good one and you will be rewarded. Those are usually high probability trading setup when the CCI breaks a bow and retests, okay, a trend line. It's a very good one here. Here, is it going to work here? Or as I told you, do all the verifications without cutting corner. Most importantly, always use a different time frame trading method to control the risk. Work on it if you are not yet mature or have more. Just keep working on it, keep polishing it, By the time you know, all right, now you will be up to it, and you will do it more, okay, precisely. Alright, if you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another useless recording, alright, please mark it down. It is an essential tutorial. Feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, this is the right time. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, and be sure to click on the notification icon, so anytime we record a video, you will be the first person to be notified. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to use CCI indicator trend lines more precisely. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon.